નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now to continue our chapters, chapter number 5 and exercise 5.6. Now this exercise is related between two types of the triangle. So let's start our exercise 5.6. In exercise 5.6, first question, name the types of the following triangle. This means in this question we will write the name of following triangle. So first one, triangle with length of side 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. It means in this triangles the three sides are different. Three sides are different. It means if any triangle three sides are different, it's called a scalene triangle. One more times, what is the scalene triangle? The three sides are different is called a scalene triangle. Two sides are same is called a isosceles triangle, and all the sides are same is called a equilateral triangle. Understand? One more time, three sides are different is called a scalene triangle. Two sides are same is called a isosceles triangle, and three sides are same is called a equilateral triangle. So dear students, here given a three sides and all the sides are different is called a, this one is the scalene triangle. So in this question answer is scalene triangle. Understand? This one is the scalene triangle. Same for the our next one, triangle ABC with AB is equal to 8.7 cm, AC is equal to 7 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm. So first of all dear students, in these questions AB, AC and BC, what is the AB, AC, BC? This one is the three sides. AB, AC and BC, this all are is the three sides, right? So here 8.7 cm, 7 cm and 6 meter, this all are is different. This means three different sides. Three different side is called the, this one is the which type of the triangle? So it's called as again scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So this one is also for the scalene triangle. Now to the next is the question number 3. In triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 cm. So dear students, in this PQ, QR and PR, these three is a one type of the side of this triangle. This three is the sides, three sides of this triangle, and all the measurement are same. What is the 5 cm? This means three same sides. It means all the sides are same. Then all the sides are same is called the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So it's called the equilateral triangle. Understand? Clear? Next one, triangle DEF with measure angle D is equal to 90 degree. Here dear students, given only one angle. So in this angle's measurement is equal to also for the given, what is the 90 degree? The 90 degree angle is called the which type of the triangle? Yes, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So this one is the right angle triangle. Understand? Then after the our fifth one, the triangle XYZ with measure angle Y is equal to 90 degree and XY is equal to YZ. So dear students, here given are two types. One is the measure angle Y is equal to 90 degrees, means this one is the right angle triangle. But one more, here is the two sides are same. So dear students, if any question is given this types, then what is the, so first of all XY is equal to YZ, this means these two sides are same, the two sides are same is called isosceles. And here is given 90 degrees means right angle. Now full name is isosceles right angle triangle. Understand? So these types of the, which type of the triangle? Write down isosceles right angle triangle. So this one is the isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles, why? Because here given two sides. Right angle, why? Because one angle is given 90 degrees. So it's called the isosceles right angle triangle. Understand? Then after the sixth one, triangle LMN with measure angle L is equal to 30 degree, measure angle M is equal to 70 degree and measure angle N is equal to 80 degree. So last question is given angle. So it means this triangle is related to angle. So in angle is the here is three different angle, and three different angle. It means this one is the 30, 70 and 80. It means these three angles is less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree is called which type of the triangle? Acute angle. This three is the less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degrees means this all are is the acute angle. Acute angle, and last one is the triangle. So is this triangle's name is acute angle triangle. So understand how to classify the given triangle of is this questions clear? Now to our next question. Our next question is match the following. So here given two parts and match it. So first of all, three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length. It means which type of the triangle? Three sides and equal length. It means equilateral triangle. So in this question answer is E. This question answer is E, equilateral triangle. Why? Because in equilateral triangle all the sides are same. So this one is the equilateral triangle. Then after, two sides of equal length. The two sides of equal length. Two sides of equal length, this means isosceles triangle. Why? Because in isosceles triangle the two sides are same. So isosceles triangle, this means here is isosceles right angle, no? So this one is not our answer, but our answer is this one. Why? Because here given only isosceles. So in this question answer is G, not this one. Why? Because here isosceles right angle. Here only is given two sides of equal length. Two sides of equal length, this means isosceles. The isosceles is given here. So in this question answer is Z. Clear? Second one. Understand? Then after the third one, all sides are different. All the sides are different. It means all the sides are different. It means this one is the which type of triangle? Yes, scalene triangle. So this one is answer is A. Why? Because in scalene triangle all the sides are different. Then after the three acute angle. In this question is given a three acute angle. Three acute angle is means 90 degree. Here given 1, 2 and 3. This 3 is the acute angle or not? So acute angle is means acute angle triangle. So write down in the acute angle. So here is the given acute angle. So in this question answer is F, acute angle. Then after one right angle. One right angle is means right angle triangle. So in this question answer is D. Why? Because given a right angle triangle. Then after the one obtuse angle. The one obtuse angle is called a C, obtuse angle triangle. And the last one right angle with two sides of equal length. One right angle with two sides of equal length. See, this one is one right angle and two sides of equal length. One right angle and two sides of equal length is called isosceles right angle triangle. Now find it, isosceles right angle. So in this question answer is B. The last question answer is B. So this one is our method. So understand students this exercise? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.